What is good, everybody? It's your boy Jay, and Turkey Day is almost upon us, and I have a wonderful, juicy baked turkey recipe for you all. And it is oh so seasoned up proper, oh so delicious, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it out. So let's not waste any time. Let's get started. So here we have our beautiful turkey wings, and we are gonna begin by putting our chiropractor hat on, and we're gonna go ahead and snap some joints just like so. You're gonna do this along the little tip section as well as the joint separating the drum from the flat. This is gonna make it so much easier to cut along these joints and separate them. So go ahead and do that. And sometimes you might have to apply a little pressure, so don't be scared to give the back of the knife a little bit of a tap, you know what I mean, to make sure you have everything chopped up, separated, and put to the side, ready to be seasoned up. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my last video, because it was amazing. I'm talking about that crispy fried lemon pepper chicken wings recipe. That thing was fire. If you haven't already, what are you guys doing, man? You gotta watch that one too right after this one, because yo, that was a really nice recipe, one of my favorites hands down. All right, so we got our chicken, whoa, I'm getting my words all mixed up. We got our turkey wings all chopped up, ready to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys. And now we're gonna put our masseuse hat on, you know, and give these turkey wings a nice luxurious massage, as we always do. All right, next we're gonna put together my little bit of all-purpose seasoning right here. This is pressure right here. Whatever you put this on turns to gold. I'm trying to let you know. All right, go ahead and be very generous and go ahead and season up your turkey wings just like so. Get up all up in there, the cracks, crevices, both sides, you know what I mean? Make sure it's well coated up. And at this point, you go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Get that bad boy ready to go. And let me know in the comments down below, how excited are you for Thanksgiving? I am ecstatic. It's my favorite holiday of the year. Sit down, have a nice dinner with the family, you know, eat some good food, you know, finish it all off with some pumpkin pie or some, you know, sweet potato pie, whichever one you prefer. Man, I cannot wait. I'm trying to let you know. So once everything's seasoned up, we are gonna then transfer our turkey wings to this Pyrex pan. Just like so, or whatever oven safe pan you have, go ahead and transfer it up. And we're also gonna top off our turkey wings with some sliced onions as well as some sliced bell peppers. All right, make sure you have this thing all coated up. That onion is gonna give it a nice flavor, and it's all these bell peppers and whatnot. This is gonna give you a beautiful texture as you're eating your turkey wings. You know, you can serve this with a side of rice. You can serve this with, you know, a side of roasted potatoes. The options are endless right here. And now on the screen you see I'm adding some chicken broth. I'm adding about, I would say, 1.5 cups. All right, you want to kind of fill it up till it's about the midpoint of that pan that you're using. You don't want to fully submerge your turkey wings, but kind of to that point you seen on the screen. Go ahead and cover it up. Tossed it in the oven for about an hour, covered at 400 degrees. This is how you should be looking after that first initial hour. You're gonna uncover your turkey wings, and guess what? You're gonna put them right back in the oven until they're nice and golden brown looking like this. That takes about an additional, I would say, 30 to 40 minutes. You know what I mean? Let it sit there, do its thing, and this is the end result. Pure goodness. So flavorful, so delicious, so moist. Can't go wrong with this turkey recipe right here. Serve this over a beautiful bed of rice, veggies. The options are endless, guys. And I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.